Are you on a schedule? Does your mom watch the clock and say it's time for breakfast, lunch or dinner, time to take a bath or put away your toys? Sometimes schedules are so busy we fly through the day and don't even stop to think about God's perfect timing. He's never late. No matter the question, his answer won't wait. When it's time to come through, God will show the answer to you. Have you had to rush to get ready for school? Brush your teeth and hair, hurry, hurry, let's get in the car, 'cause we've gotta be somewhere. But remember,